Good morning. Today we are going to talk about Agaricus muscarius. Some points that you have to remember. There is first is the Agaricus patient is extremely sensitive to cold air like Calcarea, Calicar and Sorinum. The complaints of Agaricus are always diagonal complaints, that is left upper, right lower, bracket, antimptot and stramonium. And one of the key features of Agaricus is twitching, jerking and trembling. There is twitching of small muscles, there is twitching of eyelids and other muscles, there is jerking of both the muscles and the speech, there is trembling of whole body. And here we have to remember, there is if there is twitching and trembling of twitching and jerking of facial muscles, then we have to remember Miguel. And another point you have to remember that in the Agaricus, the spinal complaints are very much prominent. Everything that occurs is either associated with spinal complaint or the history there is some spinal complaints. That is, the spinal complaints is there may be spinal irritation, worse in the morning. There is single vertebra is sensitive to touch, and if there is a backache, there is backache worse while doing the day-to-day work in the morning, and that is worse while sitting. Another remedy is ginkgum, that is worse while sitting, but it is better by moving. But in Agaricus, that is worse by doing the day-to-day activities, but aggravated while sitting. Here we have to remember Agaricus is very much related to ginkgum. Agaricus patient has aggravation in the morning. He is very tired, he is very confused, he is clumsy in the morning. The spinal complaints are also aggravated in the morning. The prolapsus, which is after post-climacteric, is aggravated during the morning. And as the days go by and the time goes by, in the evening the patient feels better. He can study better. He can sing poetry without any jerks at a time. But it is only during the evening or night. So the patient is worse at the morning. The patient is a very extremely chilly patient, and that is all the complaints are worse in the morning and better as the day moves on towards the evening. Again, we have to remember that here Agaricus constitution is mostly old people with weak and indolent circulation. The question will come, old people with weak and indolent circulation. Here you have to correct the tick, that is Agaricus. And also persons with lax skin and muscles lax. Person feeble, thin and muscles are lax. Skin and muscles are lax. And of the drunkards who suffer from headache after a debauch. That means that the patient, he goes up to a party, he drinks a lot, he drinks through the night, and when the next morning comes, there is headache and there may be vomiting. So it is one of the remedy like lobelia, like nux vomica, like antimicrute, like selenium. You have to remember these things. And another point is Agaricus is worse after eating, after coition and before thunderstorm. And the before thunderstorm bracket is phosphorus and sorin. And it is a great remedy for chilblains, which itch and burn intolerably. Already I have discussed in abrotanum, that is itching chilblains, bracket is Agaricus. But in Agaricus it is written chilblains which itch and burn intolerably. In Fragaria we remember the chilblains worse in hot season. In Borax we have to remember that chilblains better in open air. In Zincum we remember that chilblains aggravation by rubbing. And another point that the Agaricus patient, the patient stumbles upon while walking. He is uncertain. He feels worse while standing, and he stumbles upon the gate is unsteady. And in the mental sphere, the agaricus patient, Boric writes that the patient sings, talks but does not answer. There is the patient, the agaricus patient is very anxiety about his health, especially for cancer. He feels that he has cancer, so he goes on. There is very anxiety about the fear of getting cancer, or he thinks that he is having cancer. There is great anxiety about health, and especially for cancers. Dr. H.C. Allen writes that there is delirium with the constant raving to get out of his bed during typhoid or typhus. The word raving means there is incoherent talk. So the patient incoherently does that. He just wants to get out of the bed, and he talks incoherently, which you cannot get it right as a normal man speaks. And if there is prolapsus, there is after post-climactery, there is severe bearing down pains which are intolerable, that is worse in the morning. Again, there is epilepsy from suppressed eruption like sorinum and sulfur. There is bad effects after complaints after sexual excess like Kali-Foss sexual excess. And already we know that in agaricus, all the spinal complaints or the headache all come after if there is some sexual excess. Dr. Kent says that in agaricus it is a remedy for twitching, jerking and trembling of body, and that if there in agaricus children there is both in the late learning to talk and late learning to walk. If there is late learning to talk, it is natromure. If there is late learning to walk, it is calcarea carp. If both these conditions are present in the children, you can think about agaricus, as said by Dr. Kent. Also, he says that it is very much related to zincum. Both have aggravation from stimulants. Both are aggravated in the morning. Both have spinal complaints. Both have backache worse while sitting. And in agaricus, Dr. Boric writes that it is epistaxis from old people. Epistaxis of old people, cough ends in sneezing. There is vertigo from sunlight and on walking. There is chilblains, you have to remember. And these points you have to remember for your exams. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.